Hey guys, it's me Kirti. Happy New Year to you and welcome back to another tutorial with me. Today I'm going to revamp this store-bought ordinary diary into something very special, customized gift. All materials used are from CrafTangles. Let's start by securing borders from inside using washi tape. We will secure both the sides, that is front and back. If you have rounded corners of your diary, you have to be extra careful while rounding up the corners of the washi tape as well. And this is done for both the sides. I'm going to use CraftAngle's Aged Beauty Decoupage papers for my diary. So I decided the sheet I want to use, and now I'm going to verify the size for my diary. Looks like this one sheet fits perfectly for my diary. So now I'm going to mark it. I'm going to use the sheet whole across, including the sides of my diary, and that is why I'm going to mark up where the center of my diary is coming. And after the marking, I will continue to cut alongside the length of diary and not in the center of the diary. Once my sheet is ready, I'm straight away going to use decoupage glue for sticking up the decoupage paper. See, depending upon the thickness of decoupage paper or absorbency of the base of the material we are using, I decide whether I need to gesso the substance or not. So basically, priming is not ground rule, it is done only when it is needed. The surface of my diary was absolutely ready to take the decoupage paper, so I decided not to go for priming. I started directly by applying decoupage glue on the front side of my diary. Here I am using a plastic film for straightening the wrinkles. I will do it for side as well as the back. Front and back sides of your diary are easier, but securing the borders and the corners is always tricky. So that is how I managed to secure the borders, corners streamlinedly for my diary. For the last step, I have secured back my washi tape, and now we are going to use this chalky paint for coloring the borders. After the paint dried off really well, I removed these tapes, and now is the time for final touch. I plan to add a motivational quote sticker at the front of my diary, also securing the sticker with decoupage glue. And the last and final step would be to apply the varnish. But before that, we have to make sure that everything has dried off really well. And this is how my final product look like. I hope you like and enjoy this tutorial. If you do, don't forget to subscribe. You can also follow me on my YouTube, Instagram and Facebook in the name Kirti's Craft Castle. Thank you so much for staying with me. Enjoy your new year and don't forget to be creative.